Hi, my name is Dorian. I'm on the Galen campus in Dallas, and I'm currently in the BSN program. My student experiences so far has been wonderful. Two main things would be support and interactive. For support, I'll talk about Galen's instructor. They really do sort of cater to your learning styles. Then you have content enrichment tutors that help you alongside your professor through each course, and then support my learning style. And they really do support you with your learning style. And the next thing, Galen is fun, it's interactive. We have the best Sims. Sims is amazing. We have labs and we have somewhat of a hospital setup. So you get to interact with instructors and you get awesome feedback. Then we also have Galen Student Nurses Association, where we do all these fun activities within the community throughout the year and your entire time here at Galen. And the last interactive thing is you go to the most fun interactive clinical sites. We get to go to rehabs, hospitals, long-term care, and community and events around the Dallas-Fort Worth area. It's awesome. Come join us.